Hello, grade 3. How are you? I am Miss Sarah Adel, math teacher. Today we will take a new lesson. We take time. Can you tell me the time now? What time is this? Okay, let's learn together how you can tell the time. Firstly, we should learn the clock. The clock contains numbers from 1 until 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 until 12. The clock has two hands. The clock has two hands. The small hand called hour hand. The small hand called hour hand. And the big hand called minute hand. And the big hand called minute hand. Any clock has two hands. The small hand called hour hand and the big hand called minute hand. Okay, the next. Firstly, I will look at the minute hand. Okay, firstly, I will look at the minute hand. Here, the minute hand stands on 12. When it stands on 12, it will be clock. It will be a clock. Okay, let's see the hour hand. The hour hand stands on 5. It will be 5 o'clock. Now, another example, when the small hand stands on 7 and the big hand stands on 12, it will be 7 o'clock. Okay? When the big hand or minute hand stand on 12, it will be o'clock. Now the time, it's 5 o'clock. The time now, it's 5 o'clock. Firstly, we look at the minute hand. Minute hand here stand on 9. Okay, when it will be at 9, it will be quarter 2. It will be quarter 2. It will be again quarter 2. Okay. Here the minute hand stand on 3. It will be quarter past. It will be quarter past. Again, when the minute hand stand on 9, it will be quarter 2. When the minute hand stand on 3, it will be quarter past. Now we take 3 cases. Again, we take 3 cases. When the minute hand stand on 12, it will be clock. Second case. When the minute hand stand on 9, it will be quarter 2. The third case, when the minute hand stand on 3, it will be quarter past. In the fourth case, when the minute hand stand on 6, when it stand on 6, it will be half past. It will be half past. It will be half past. Here, the hour hand between 3 and 4, it will be, it's a quarter to 4. It's a quarter to 4. Here, the hand of hours stand on 8. Then it will be quarter past 8. Quarter past 8. This case, the hand minute stand on 6 and the hour minutes between 7 and 8. Then it's half past 7. It's half past 7. We take that the time. Any hours has 60 minutes. Any hour has 60 minutes. Between 1 and 2, 60. And between 2 and 3, 60 minutes. This is the time by minutes. When it stands at 12, it will be 0 minutes. It will be 0 minutes. Stand on 1, 5 minutes. 2, 10. 3, 15. 4, 20 minutes. 5, 25 minutes. 6, 30 minutes. 7, 35 minutes. 8, 40 minutes. 9, 45 minutes. 10, 50 minutes. 11, 55 minutes. 12, it will be 60, then it will be 0 minutes. Okay? Every time, increase by 5. Every time, increase by 5. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55. Every time increase by 5. This is the clock. We take 4 cases. When the minute hand stand on 12, it will be clock. When the minute hand stand on 9, it will be quarter to. When the minute hand stand on 3, it will be quarter past. When the minute hand stand on 6, it will be half past. And this is the time by minutes. This is the time by minutes. At 12, start by zeros. Then every time increase by 5. Every time increase by what? Increase by 5. This is on book page 158. This 2 hands of a clock. The big hand called the minute hand and the small hand called hour hand. Okay, this is it. The small hand of hours, the small hand of hour, and the big hand of minute. Then at hour at 10, hours at 10, minutes at 1, 5, 2, 10, and 3, 15 minutes. 3, 15 minutes. Here, the hour hand stand on 10. This hour 10. And the minute hand stand on 6. 6, it will be 30 because it starts from 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, then it will be 30. At 6 equals 30. When the big hand, I said, when the big hand stand on 6, it will be half past. It's a half past 10. The last one, the big hand stand on 9 and the small hand between 10 and 11. Then the hour, it will be 10. The hour, it will be 10. And the minute will be 45 because at 6:30, then 35, 40, 45. At 9 equal 45. Then when the big hand stand on 9, it's a quarter to 11. It's a quarter to 11. Okay, write the time in 2 ways. I want to write the time by 2 ways. By letters and by minutes. By letters and by minutes. Let's solve together the first one. Firstly, I look at the minute hand. I will look at the minute hand. The minute hand stand on 12. 12, it will be 0 minutes. Sorry. 12, it will be 0 minutes. The hour stand on 8. Then the hour, it will be 8. When it will be at 12, then the time now, it's 8 o'clock. It's 8 o'clock. The next one, I will look at the minute hand. The minute hand here stand on 6. 6 by minutes equal 30. Excellent. And the small hand of hour stand on 7. Then it will be 7:30. By letters, I said at the previous, when it stand at 6, it will be half past. Then it's a half past 7. Okay, half past